Well, this is the potato harvester that my brother and I made. You can see two shafts, one here and one over there. So on the front, this plate grabs the potato and earth and send it here to this transporter. Now, when it reaches to this position, the earth and potato will travel all the way to the back. Most of the dirt will fall off and the potato and bigger earth will fall behind. We put two chain drive here. You can see we have here a gearbox, PTO drive, shaft, this is how it looks. Now, this was hard to make. This is exactly the same chain like here, but what we have made, we cut these small metal strips and welded to each of these plate, and between the plate we put this metal bar here and weld it so it can easily move along with the chain. We put aside these bars and this is it, how we done it. Simple. It has two wheels so we can adjust the height of this harvester. We have to shorten this PTO shaft. I have to cut it because it was too long, so it will not fit here, and we cut and make it fit. And this is how it looks like, this potato harvester. I will start my tractor now and then you will see when it's in working mode how it works. We also make this tensioner. When we turn this, we can adjust how much the tension of this chain drive want it to be. So let's start the tractor and then you will see how it's done. So you can see it works perfect. This transporter is the chain drive, gearbox, PTO shaft. Now it doesn't spin like so. You can speed up if you want. Just give more gas and then it spins even faster if you want. I will give some gas here. You can see it spins even faster now. You can adjust the amount of RPMs as you wish. So you can see everything works perfectly, without problem. we made it for 1 week completely, and when there will be the time, then I will go to take the potato out from the earth. This is it. This is how it's done. As I said, this was hard to make, very hard, but it works perfectly. So this is it. You have seen in operation. Well, thanks for watching, and when the potato will go out, then you will see how it's working. Thanks for watching. Bye.